Well, I'm going to put on my uniform. You can wait here by the fire engine.
Oh, wait. Your helmet.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. You hold this one too.
Oh, Joe. Joe, we need to fix the hose. The hose has water, and we need water to fight fire.
Ah, water? My second delivery. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Water. Water. You sign. Water. Good. Water.
Water.
That's not enough.
Look at this.
Because that pumps lots and lots of water.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Joe, you're all wet.
Yes.
You need a new uniform.
Yes.
Let's love sign. Wet. Wet. You sign. Wet. Good. Wet.
Wow! You look like real firefighters now.
Well, we're not real firefighters until we go on the truck.
Hands up!
Get the window box.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Let's go. Go a little bit faster. Oh. Biscuit, you looking on my way. We found milk.
Here is the milk.
Well.
More. More.
What? I'll get a last one.
Milk.
Let's love sign. Milk. Milk. You sign. Milk. Good. milk.
I'm hungry.
Hello.
I'm hungry.
I can make you a sandwich. Do you like cheese?
I love cheese.
But I'm wearing the wrong apron. I'm waiting on a delivery for a new apron.
Wait here. A beautiful red apron.
That's mine.
Now, can I have my sandwich?
Yes. Thank you.
I love cheese. Hello again. We've come to give you some money.
Let's love sign. Money. Money. You sign. Money. Good. Money.
Sorry, the till is broken. I'm waiting on a delivery.
Delivery?
This is gonna be...
No, that's a toy.
A toy? Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow, my till is working again.
You did the magic, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Joe! Tian! Come back! Deliveries!
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Joe. Bye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, how did that go?
Don't worry, I know just
what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Let's love sign. Sand. Sand. You sign. Sand. Good. Sand.
No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
A bowl.
Apron. Gloves.
Gloves. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
Milk.
Milk? Oh. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
Now, eggs. And chocolate.
Oh. Oh.
Let's love sign. Chocolate. Chocolate. You sign. Chocolate. Good. Chocolate.
I'm really good at making ice cream.
Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No.
No.
It has to go in the fridge.
Oh. Oh. Tell me it's cold. It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons.
Let's go.
Ooh, I look so good.
I have a great voice.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun. I'm feeling like a someone.
Boys and girls, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's Grace and her band.
Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Oh no.
Thank you, Grace. I've had a great day, but now I have to go. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, Joe.
Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it.
Wow. Hi,
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich? Wow, you did. Wow. Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one.
I made a mess. Ugh.
It's so sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long. Yeah. nearly time for us to fly on Dizzy Airlines.
Now my cup is empty.
Let's love sign. Empty. Empty. You sign. Empty. Good. Empty.
Here we are in security. Here we go in the airplane.
I'm so excited.
Let's love sign. Excited. Excited. You sign. Excited. Good. Excited.
Aeroplane. Now we are ready to go on the airplane. But hang on. Where is the aeroplane?
Yes. Where is the aeroplane? I remember my third delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shop.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh,
Oh dear.
oh, I'm wet.
going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Let's love sign. Horse riding. Horse riding. You sign. Horse riding. Good. Horse riding.
I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat? Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No. No.
The right hat?
No. No.
Oh dear. The
Let's go home, Ozzy.
Lady, what book do you want?
I know just the book. Wait here. My 3rd delivery. Oh, I didn't remember the book. Oh. Don't worry, I know just what to do. We can make a book on my Dizzy device.
Let's write a story, Sadie.
This story is about me. This is Joe. Joe is silly. This is a banana. Joe slips on the banana.
Let's love sign. Banana. Banana. You sign. Banana. Good. Banana.
Oh, Joe falls over. Is Joe okay? Yes! The end.